Howdy, folks. How are you today? Today's kind of a rainy, dark, dreary day. That's what I was shooting for, dreary. And in light of the weather, I got my lightning bolt strap, purple lightning bolt. I love this strap, guitar strap. And I'm rocking the GS Mini today. Love this guitar. Still has that new smell. Smells great. I love it. Plays beautifully. It's a smaller size guitar. The GS Minis are great guitars. Anyhow, today I am playing Poor Wayfaring Stranger. It's a song that my daughter actually brought home from school. And it's got music with it and lyrics. So I've only been through it a couple of times. See if we can get through that. There's a couple of bars in here where I'm going to stop and work on them because I've had a little bit of trouble playing them. But here we go. A great song, especially considering the weather's kind of downtrodden and slow and blah, But actually, the bars that I was concerned with making it through, I actually got through that, and I had a little snafu on a different bar. The bar in question is D, F, G, E, which would be D, F, G, E. I don't know, every time I played that prior, I kept screwing it up. But this time I actually got through it. I practiced it a couple of times. But I don't remember the one I did mess up on. D, F, G, E. But there are lyrics too. I don't know the lyrics all that well, but another quick... I'm learning how to play chords, and the three most common chords are C, G, and D. So what I've done is, to just learn something without music, it's just not fun, right? It's like, that's G. There's C. And there's D. Now, to just go over those and keep playing them, you could learn it that way, and you will learn them. But for me, I wanted to make it musical. I wanted to make it interesting. So it's, again, C, G, and D are the three most common chords. And I found a tune using C, G, and D notes in place of chords to kind of get the rhythm going in my head, and then I can attempt or try to strum the chords to the same rhythm or same tune as I was playing the notes. Here's the notes. I'm sure you'll recognize it once you hear it. Louie Louie, right? So now that you got that in your head, you got dun 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 dun. Now that you got that in your head and it's actually musical, it makes it much easier for me, I know, to learn something with music than it does to just simply try to learn it. So now, dun dun dun. First it's three strums, you know. 1, 2, 3. That's the G. 1, 2. That's the C. 1, 2, 3 again, that's the D, and then it just repeats. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, like that. Now you do it. Now instead of doing it with notes, you do it with chords. So you get your G chord, and then C, and then D. Gotta hit all the strings, right? Then back to C again. G. You can tell I'm not real great. I'm still learning the chords, right? It takes me a while to get, but there's a hesitation, there's a break even in between. Dun, 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 break, dun, dun, break, dun, dun, dun. And you can kind of use your chord switchings use that break to switch chords, right? But I thought that was a cool little tune to play with prior to playing the chords to learn the chords. But yeah, that's about all I got going on today. Talk to you later. Peace.